Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us solve another interesting problem. Grading students. Okay, let us read the question and analyze and understand the question. Hackerland University has the following grading policies. So, there is a university which named as Hackerland. It follows the following grading policies. Okay, every student receives a grade in inclusive to the range of 0 to 11, 0 to 100. So every student got a grade in the range of 0 to 100. Okay, any grade less than any grade less than 40 is a failing grade. So any grade less than 40 is failing. That's what they're telling. Okay, Sam is a professor. Sam is a professor at the university and like to round off each student's grade according to these rules. So they just provided us the two rules, and they provided us that grade is less than 40, then we can say it is fail. That means we need to return 40 only. If the value of the grade is less than 38, if the value of the grade is less than 38, so no round off that we need to do for the result. If the difference between the grade and next multiple of 5 is less than 3, then grade up to multiple of next multiple of 5. So let us solve this. Let us first analyze this. So you can see 84. The round off of 84 is 84, nearest next multiple of 5 is 85. So what is the difference? It is 1, which is less than 3, right? So we can return 85. We can round off 84 to 85. Now coming to 29, since it is less than 38, since it is less than 38, what do we need to do is we just need to give the same output, that is 29 only. So you can see next input is 57. 57, for this the next multiple of 5 is 60. So let us see the difference between 60 and 57, that is 3, right? Which is not less than 3. So that's why we're not able to round off. We just provide the output grade as 57 only. So this is the task that we need to do. So now let us see how it is working. Now a file pointer is opened to open any a file and in the write mode. Okay, now you just read the grades count, that is number of grades it was providing, that was taken and read in grades count, and then they created a new list called grades. Now by using that list, they're just picking one by one element, one by one grades, and just appending each grade item into grades. After that, they're just calling the function that is grading students and passing the grades list, whatever the list they have read, that grades list they are passing, and they are just writing the result with a space separation in the file pointer, whatever the file they open. So what is our task, sir, in this? So already half of the code is provided by them. So our task is just to round off the grades. So grades is a list of grade. So whatever the grades they given, whatever the grades here we have, those all are provided in the form of list in grades. So to pick one by one grade, grade from the given grades. So we are repeatedly picking one by one element now. So for that, the suitable thing in Python is loops. So for each grade in grades. So for each grade in grades, what I need to check at first? I need to check if the grade is less than 38 or not. If the grade is less than 38, no round off I need to do. So let us check if grade if grade is less than 38 or not. If grade is less than 38, then what I need to provide my output as? I need to provide my output. Actually, it is taking, it is expecting some data as returned from this function, that is this function. So let us create an array. Since the grade is not single, right? Multiple grades are provided in the grades. So we need to return the answer for those all grades. To store the answers for all those grades, I'd like to pick a array. So to store all the grades and return that array, I'm just picking my answers array. So to return this, I am writing return statement and returning the answer. Answers is the list that I have created. Now, since grade is less than 38, what I want to do, I want to put my same grade into answers. So answers dot append of what I need to append? Grade. So now in this ANS, the current grade is appended. So what are the other conditions? If grade is less than 40, if grade is less than 40, which indicates what? Failing grade. So which indicates failing grade. You can see here 38. For that, what is the output they got? Failing grade, that is 40. So for 38, we got 40. For 33, we got 33. Why, sir? 33 is less than 38, right? So for 33, 33 is the only output. For 38, it is equals to 38. So that's why it is failing grade. They need to provide 40. If grade is in between, if grade is in between 38 to, if grade is in between 38 to 40, then you can say, then you can append it into the result and says that grade value is 40 only. Says that grade value is 40 only. Now let us see other conditions. So now let us see other conditions. What are the other conditions left? The only condition left is this. What is that? I want to find the next multiple of 5 and then check whether the difference between current grade and the next multiple of 5 is, the difference between current grade and next multiple of 5 is less than 3. Then I need to round off that number to next multiple of 5. If it is not less than 3, then I just provide that grade. That's it, as it is. So for that case, you need to write an else case, whereas all the other cases will comes to this else case. In this, I want to find the next 5 multiple of that grade I need to find. So how to find it, sir? First, I need to divide my grade by 5. I need to divide my grade by 5 by using integer division. If I divide my grade by 5 by using integer division, then what happens is I'll get only the values without containing the decimal part. So for that, I just need to increase a bit by 1 to get the next multiple of 5. So next, I am getting the next multiple. What I need to do? I just need to find the difference between next multiple of 5. I just need to find the difference between next multiple of 5 and current grade, whatever the grade they given. If it is less than 3, then my grade will be upgraded to next multiple of 5. So next 5 multiple is my grade. If the difference between them is not, it is not less than 3, in that case I need to append my answer as same grade only. I just do not need to change anything. So let us run and check whether it is working or not. We have written all the conditions that they are given. So you can see test case was passed. So let us submit and check whether it is working for all the test cases or not. So yeah, it is checking. You can see all the test case got passed. So this is the code that we written for the given conditions. We have just picked, we have created an answer list for returning whatever the answer do I got for the given grades, given list of grades. For I'm picking each grade from the given list of grades and I'm checking if grade is less than 38, I'm just providing the grade. If grade is not less than 38, which is in between 38 to 40, which means it is failing grade now. So I need to return 40. So I just put the value of the result is 40 into my answer. And what is the next case? The grade is greater than 40. In that case, what I need to do? I just need to find the next multiple of 5. To find the next multiple, I'm just finding in how many times my grade is dividing by 5. So I'm just finding the I'm just finding the quotient. After finding the quotient, I'm just increasing by 1 to get the next multiple of 5. I'm just multiplying it with the data, whatever I got. So at that case, I got the next multiple of 5. So I'm checking the condition here. That is, if the difference between next multiple of 5 and grade, that is, I'm subtracting grade from my next multiple of 5. If it is less than 3, then what is my result I want to update? Next 5 multiple is the result. So I'm just appending into my answer. So else case, I need to provide the same grade. So I'm just appending the same grade to my answer. That's it. In this way, we solve this problem. So I hope this video is understandable to you. I'll provide the link as well as the code that we have written in this in the description, or else under the comment. Please try it so that you can able to solve this solution today itself. So thanks for watching. So if you like the video, if you like to suggest this video to more viewers, then please comment so that it will be preferred to more users. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Do must solve these problems, then only you can able to solve your exam questions as much as easily. So thanks for watching. Must solve and continue this DSA series to finish learning DSA and applying the algorithms on your programs. Thanks for watching again.